Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. This is for a Cricut Maker 3 unboxing. Of course, we got this maybe a year or two ago. We just haven't had the opportunity to use it because the smaller press was working really well and the smaller printer was working really well. But we want to make a repeat sign so we can do images at our events. The box is big, heavy. It's got packing stuff in it, which is weighty, but that does not compare to the machine itself. The box is really big. But here comes the baby. This is a really, let me show you what's in there first. This machine is heavy. So you get your information packet. The little green cards tell you how to, it's a quick card to tell you how to get started. Then it has the warranty stuff and other. It has in here, this is a smart vinyl. They label it so you can practice with it. And I think the big thing, one of the main takeaways with this is if you use a smart vinyl, you really, with the machine itself, I think you have the opportunity to use the pad, which looks like a cutting board type thing. But with this one and this smart vinyl, you don't have to. You can just run it through there. But remember, this is, I think, the most versatile machine they have because you can run thin pieces of wood. You can make all kinds of crafts and stuff with this. So they give you a sample, which is nice. And they label the sample so you'll know what you're getting. So this says smart paper, sticker, cardboard. They tell you what you can use it for. It is, when I tell you this is thick, it's thick. And this one is a smart iron-on. They tell you it's for lightweight, long-lasting. They tell you what, right there, what it's for. That's a shiny vinyl. And this is a transfer paper. It says keep the vinyl cuts aligned during transfer. And they have the nice little grids on here. This is really nice. And it's a nice size. You can either do something big or something, a couple of small things just for practice. And this is a smart vinyl. And it tells you it removes without residue. Great for windows, walls, and more. So the machine is very, very versatile. It helps you expand your crafts or whatever you're using. So now I'm going to move the machine down because the machine, I didn't realize was so heavy. And this is the machine itself. And it comes with 2 cords. This is the main power cord here. And then this is for a printer. You can hook it up also to a printer, USB printer cord. But this is your main machine. You have to open it. I am so excited about being able to use this. We have another event coming up. So we took pictures at our last event. And, you know, the backdrop is not the greatest, but we use some of the stuff that we use. See how it just, you pull that up and it soft opens. The cutter's in here. And, of course, they have stuff online. You want to be familiar with your machine. And then you have... you can't see that. Let me close this. It has this area over here for you to store your things in. Now the blades in this machine, let me tell you, is extremely sharp. Please handle with care. You want to become familiar with this machine. But it's very weighty. I think if you set up a space, craft space, this would really be beautiful in your craft space. But again, it handles, I do know it handles some thin type wood where you can make some of everything. It also handles fabric. Don't forget, I do believe it'll handle leather. We got it so that we could use it for our business, but also when we have different classes and events that our people can actually participate and make their own crafts. So, can't wait. I'm telling you, this thing has to weigh at least 5-10 pounds. All right, so thanks so much, you guys, for joining me for the unboxing. Until next time.